When the doctor comes to you and says, I need to operate, I have to do brain surgery on you because you have this illness, what is our response to the doctor? How many of you who have no experience and no knowledge of brain surgery say, actually, you can't operate on me until I understand every single procedure that you're doing. This person went to school for 12 years and has 12 years experience, and you're saying that you need to understand. You guys following? All right, let's back up. When Allah does stuff in our lives, He's operating on us, yeah? But many of us, we think that we need to understand every single motion that not a surgeon is doing, but God. Is that not arrogant? But God, why? Right? We like that word. Why? And it's almost like, yo, God, you have to explain it to me before you're allowed to do it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows what He's doing. This is what we have to realize. When you go and you study the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you find that among His names are attributes of knowledge. Al-Alim, Al-Hakim. That Allah is the most knowing. Allah is the most wise. As-Sami', Al-Basir, right? The one who sees everything, the one who hears everything. We're talking about someone who's unlimited and who has unlimited knowledge and unlimited ability. And yet we question Him.